everyone. I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I am going to start the rounding off of significant figures. So few rules I will discuss how to rounding off significant figures. So I hope in the previous section you have got it how to find out the significant figures in a given number. All rules you got it properly. So let us start the first rule. See here what I have written about it. If the right most digit to be removed is more than 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. Okay, so what they want to say, the digit which we have to remove from the right side, if it is greater than 5, so the preceding number, the number which is just present before it, it should be increased by 1. So let us take few examples. 1.386. The digit which we have to remove, this is 6 and this is greater than 5. So we have to remove this digit, but this previous number is increased by 1. So our answer will be 1.39. See here, 1.39. Let us take another example. 2.469 is a number. So the number which we have to remove, this is 9 and which is greater than 5. So its preceding number is to be increased by 1. So in place of 6, what is to be written here? 7. So we will get it 2.47. Okay. So I hope you got the first rule. Let us start the second rule. If the rightmost digit to be removed is less than 5. The digit from the rightmost we have to remove. If it is lesser than 5, the preceding number is not changed. No change we have to bring in the preceding number. So see here the examples. 4.334. Okay, the rightmost digit, this is which we have to remove. This is 4. Okay, which is lesser than 5. So its preceding number is not to be increased by 1 here. So the answer will remain 4.33, as I have written in the same manner, 4.33. Okay. See the next one, 2.844. It is the number. The number which we have to remove, this is the rightmost number. This is the 4. And 4 is the number which is lesser than 5. So its preceding number, it's not to be increased by 1. So the answer will be of 2.84. Okay, this was the second rule which I have discussed. So again I am reminding, if the rightmost digit which we have to remove, if it is greater than 5, so its preceding number is to be increased by 1. And if the rightmost digit which we have to remove, if it is lesser than 5, so its preceding number, there is no change. Okay. Now the next is, if the rightmost digit to be removed is 5. If this number is to be 5, then the preceding number is not changed by 1. If it is even number, this you have to understand. If the rightmost digit which we have to remove, it is 5. We have discussed two cases. Earlier we were having greater than 5. Second case, that was lesser than 5. But if we have to remove the digit which is 5, and if its preceding number is even number, so no change we have to do. So see here the example, 6.25. The number which we have to remove, this is 5. Okay, as per the rule, the number which we have to remove, this is 5 and its preceding number is even number. So as per the rule, I have written no change we have to do. So 6.2 will be the answer. Let us take another example, like suppose I am writing 7.45. So as per the rule, answer will be 7.4, because the number 5 we have to remove, but its preceding number is to be even number. So the no change we have to do, that should be of 7.4. But if the number which we have to remove, this is 5, but its preceding number is to be odd, so it is to be increased by 1. So you see here the example, 6.35 I have written. The number which we have to remove, this 5, this is the 5 and its preceding number is the odd number, so it will be increased by 1. So I have written there 6.4. Okay, so I hope you all have got these 4 rules which I have discussed how to do the rounding off of significant figure. So you see here the few questions I am giving that you have to solve in the homework, that is of round up the following up to 3 significant figure. So you have to convert these number up to the 3 significant figure. It means you have to reach up to here as per the rules. Okay, so you try to solve in the homework. And one more question I just want to discuss with you, like how many significant figures should be present in the answer of the following calculations. So you see here, suppose you are having a big number, that numbers of digits that you have to multiply and then divide. So the answer whatever you will get in how many significant figures you will get it, that will be in the number 3. Whatever the number comes, but your answer will be in the 3 significant figure. It depends upon the smallest number, the number which is having the least significant figures. So if you will see in all these number, this number is having least significant figures and this will be having 3 significant figures. So our answer will come in 3 significant figures. Okay, see the next part. Like if it is written in the multiple 5 into 5.364, so and the another one you are having 8.1 into 2.004. So you have to see the smaller number. This is 8.1. It is having 2 significant figure. So your answer will come in 2 significant figure. If this number it is in the whole number, so this number is to be avoidable. Okay, see the next one. Like suppose you are adding all these numbers, okay, and suppose 8.1 plus 2.004, that's this is smaller number I am taking. So again the smaller number which is to be here, this is 8.1. It is having 2 significant figure. So our answer must have 2 significant figures. So this is the way to give the direct answer that will help you to solve the questions. Okay, so I hope you all have got it how to do the rounding of significant figures. Try to solve related questions in the homework. That's all for today's session.